Hi guys, so you must have noticed when you watch somebody else yawn, it makes you yawn. But why is yawning contagious? I'll explain. Turns out yawning isn't just about being sleepy, it's about being human. So when we watch somebody else yawn, हमारे brain के mirror neurons activate हो जाते हैं. These are the same neurons that make us instantly smile when somebody else passes us a smile. So basically it's like your brain's tiny act of empathy. Studies even show that contagious yawning is linked to how emotionally connected you are to others, which is why you're more likely to catch a yawn from somebody you know rather than a complete stranger. So, if you just yawned watching this, congratulations, your brain is working just fine.